guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kiran and I'm back with my new video. So today's video is going to be about the best night care essential which I use in my daily life. And before I start my video, I would like to tell you that I'm not at all a professional dermatologist, but I think I am having information which is useful and which is not at all harmful to anyone. And I think these videos are going to be very helpful to the people who belong to the tourism industry, because these people are specially instructed to take care of the skin properly, because it matters a lot for them that how they look and how they present themselves. And on another issue, if I say that the people who have crossed 30 and they are facing aging signs like wrinkles, fine lines, unevenness in their skin, it is very important for them to maintain their skin if you are working in any kind of industry, or even in the daily life if you are skin conscious per se. So yeah, let's start the video. So before I tell you about my night care essentials, I would like to tell you that please wash your face properly before you perform any kind of night care rituals, or before you apply any kind of the night creams or skincare products you use. I would say please clean your skin properly, because I think that is the prime most step of the night care routine. Until or unless your skin is not properly clean, whatever you are applying on your face is not going to give you the best results. So yes, what my essential for the night care is aloe vera gel, and you can also use the aloe vera gel from the plant, which are basically you can get anywhere easily. And if don't worry if you do not have any kind of the aloe vera plant at your home, because I also do not have, and I also use the packaging. But I will say, because if you have something natural, you should go for it, because it will definitely not harm your skin. This will also not harm your skin, but I will say natural is natural, right? So yeah, if I talk about the benefits of the aloe vera, it has got anti-inflammatory, antibacterial and anti-aging properties in it. Plus it has also got the regenerative skin cells properties, which is wonderful in just one thing, I will say. You do not have to invest so much on this, because it is very inexpensive and it is a natural thing. Most importantly, it will not harm your skin. That is the most important thing I like about it. And if I talk about the people who have acne, pimples, hyperpigmentation or black spots on their face, I will say the antibacterial property will definitely work for them. And if anyone have a severe skin conditions like urticaria, or they get usually rashes after using any kind of the products, or redness, I will say use aloe vera. It will soothe your skin properly, it will calm your skin and will help you to get rid of it. And if I talk about the third part, that is the anti-aging properties of the aloe vera, I think it is a wonderful thing which I am talking about right now, because it has got a mind-blowing properties in it, because you won't get anything in just one package, which also moisturizes your skin properly and also soothe your skin, and also remove your pimples, black spots, and help you to get rid of the dark circles as well. And if I talk about the aging properties, it will also help you to lessen your wrinkles and also fill the elasticity of your skin. And so yeah, that's it. And if you have any other issues like sunburns, and if you have any kind of infection on your skin, of course you can use aloe vera. It is antibacterial, it will definitely work for you. So yeah, so my next night care essential is vitamin E oil, which is actually considered under the maintenance part, because it is something which is widely used in the anti-aging treatments. It is something which actually moisturize your skin. It fill your skin with a lot of elasticity. It will remove all your pimples and it will work wonder on your skin, I will say. And on the other hand, some people are also allergic to it, because I will say some people have a severe conditions, because I am one of them, and I will say if you want to check that you are allergic to it or not, please take a patch test, apply some of the oil on your hand and leave it for the 24 hours, and if you do not feel any kind of irritation or redness or any kind of rashes, of course you can use it on your face then. In this video actually I'm talking about the purest form of the vitamin E oil, which is actually quite expensive, I will say, but I have another option for the vitamin E as well, that is the vitamin E capsule, which are very inexpensive in nature and you can easily get in any kind of the chemist store. So yes, I was talking about its use. It is actually a very thick in consistency, and you will feel greasy after applying it. So I will say please apply 2 to 3 drops, that's enough for your face, and please do not apply more than it, because you will start feeling greasy and you will not like the texture. So I will say do not use it in the excess. That's all I would like to say. But there is one more thing that I wanted to say, that please do not consume these kind of capsules until or unless you are not consulted by a doctor, because it is something which will lead you harm in a very bad manner. Yes, it is something very serious. Please do not do any kind of such stupid things which will lead you to harm. Please be careful with these things which you are working on. So yes, moving forward to the next vitamin, that is vitamin C. And if you know its importance, that it is full of the antioxidants in it, and it is widely used for the spot treatments. Yes, I'm talking about the black spots on our face or any kind of dark circles you have. It also it is also used for the reduction of black patches on your skin, and it also makes your skin glowing and brighter than before. So yes, I have another vitamin A, but I will not suggest it to use daily, because it is a kind of a vitamin which is broadly used for the removal of the injured scar. Suppose if you got any kind of injury on your face and it left a scar on it and you want to remove it, of course you can use a pure vitamin A oil, and it will help you to remove the scar, and it will also make your skin as it was before. If you actually want to use these oils on your face, I will suggest to use the very purest form of the oils. If you will use any kind of the mixture in it, this will not give you the best results. So yes, I am suggesting you guys to please use the purest form of the vitamin oils on your face, that's vitamin E and C, for basically maintaining your skin. And if you do not want to invest so much on these vitamins oils, so I will say use another kind of essential oils like coconut oil, almond oil or castor oil, because these are something which works actually great for your skin, which will not harm your skin in any way. And I will say please use these things daily as a night care routine, because in the night hours our body goes through the healing process, and I will say if you give something good to your body will definitely flourish. And please take care of your body and take care of your skin. I will say please in the end give something good to your body that will actually not harm you, and which will make your skin glowing and make you healthy. That's it. Thank you so much for today, and if you like this video, if you found this video helpful, then please give it a like, comment and share. And if you have any kind of skin issues or any kind of hair issues, please leave me a message on the email or anywhere on the comment. I will of course respond to you, and very